Hello, Assalamualaikum.
Hello, alaikum salam.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I am great. Thank you for asking. What's your name?
My name is Maimuna.
Mamuna.
Maimuna.
Mamuna. Okay, it's nice to meet you. Uh, my name is Sahiba and I am from India.
Okay. How are you? How are you feeling now?
Uh, Good.
How's the situation there? I've heard that it
Yeah,
was a bit
better.
hectic.
Sorry.
Yes, it was a bit hectic when it came to coronavirus.
Yes,
How are
yes.
things now?
Right now is better.
Great, great.
Yeah.
Alhamdulillah.
Yes.
So, are you excited about now? Is this your first time? How long have you been doing classes with Cambly?
Yeah. Actually, I joined the Cambly 1 month ago.
Okay, and are you happy?
Yes, I am so happy.
Great.
I meet new peoples all around the peoples
Yes, you meet people all around the world, and
all around the world. Yeah.
that's very nice. It's very
Yes.
interesting. So tell me a bit about you. Your name is Sahiba, right?
Yes.
Okay, tell me a bit about you. What's your interests? If you studied, if you work, if
Okay.
so,
Okay.
we know where to go in our conversation.
Okay. So my name is Sahiba, and I
Okay.
am from India. I am in 12th grade right now. I am 17 years old. My aim in life to become an Islamic scholar.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, it was all over to me.
Okay, that's very good. So you're still in high school. This is your last
Yes.
year.
Yes, last year.
Okay, and what's next for you? So what do you do next year?
Actually, I want to um,
I mean, to become an Islamic scholar, do you need
yes,
to go
yes,
to a certain school?
yes, in madrasa, I think. Yes,
Okay, good.
yeah.
In India.
No,
Oh,
United States.
you live in the United States?
Right now?
Yeah?
No, I am from
Oh,
India. Right now,
you
I am
want to
living
go
in.
to the United States to
Yes,
study there.
yes,
Okay.
for study.
Okay, that's very good. That's very interesting.
Yeah,
So, what are your hobbies if you're not at school? And I know that nowadays things are very, very restricted with us probably needing to stay home. And you seem
yes.
to have an interest in learning a lot about different cultures and different people around the world. But other than that, what kind of interests and hobbies do you usually have?
Actually, my hobbies are painting, uh, reading,
Painting.
pen,
Okay,
reading, and cooking. So, yeah.
that's
Mm,
very nice.
yeah, these are my hobbies. And right now, um, I am improving my English. Yeah, so I have a lot of struggle in English.
Okay, where exactly? Because I noticed that you have it seems that you've worked a lot on yourself in terms of speaking, which
Yeah,
is very good. Were you like this before you joined Cambly, or you improved after joining Cambly a month ago?
yeah. After Cambly,
That's very good. So
yeah.
you sign into Cambly every day?
Yes.
Okay, yes.
Every day I talk. Yeah.
That's very good. Daily practice of any language is very beneficial for you. Uh, it will help you learn this language even faster. So, is there any, usually, because I need to ask you this, is there anything specific that you would like to do to learn or practice when it comes to English, or uh, what would you like to do exactly?
Sorry, I
Is
don't
there
listen.
anything specific that you want to talk about, like any specific topic you would like to talk about, things related to English? Like, for example, if you're interested in, say, cooking, you would like to learn the terms of cooking in English, you would like to talk about this precisely, or no? This is just general English.
Yeah, general English.
Ah, okay. That's very
Yeah,
okay.
yeah.
That's very interesting. So, tell me more about your paintings. What kind of paintings do you draw?
Actually, art, nature.
Nature. Very nice.
Yes. Yeah.
And what gives you inspiration?
Sorry.
What gives you inspiration? How do you feel inspired?
Uh, um, in painting,
Yes, because
actually,
usually painters probably have an imagination that they want, like something that inspires them, probably quiet places or nature itself.
yeah. Actually, sometimes um, I learn from YouTube.
Okay, very good.
Yeah,
You work
yeah.
on yourself.
But usually, I use my mind.
That's even better. It means you have a
Yes,
big imagination.
yes. Sometimes I draw fruits, fruits tree.
Okay, tree.
Yeah, tree.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay, that's very good. Where do you want to go? You said you were going to go study in the United States. Where exactly?
America.
Yeah.
Yes, in California.
Oh, okay. So do you like the country? Do you have this aim for very long, or why do
I
you think about the country?
I like this country,
Okay.
America.
Do you
Yeah.
have any friends there, or a family, or anyone you know, or
No,
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 just you?
no.
What's the best thing you've known or you've read about the country in America?
Actually, my teacher,
Okay.
she lived there.
Okay.
Yasmin Mujahid. She's a Islamic scholar.
No, I haven't heard of her.
Okay, so you. Mm, okay.
She was your teacher?
Yes, she's Islamic scholar.
Okay. And
Yeah.
she lives there? She lived in the United States?
Yes, yes.
Okay, good. So you have something that, like an influencer, who
Yeah.
influenced you to choose this.
Yes.
Okay.
So right now, where do you stay?
Actually, I'm American, but I'm currently living in the Kingdom of Bahrain. Have you heard of Bahrain?
Bahrain. Yes,
Yes.
yes, yes.
Yes. I live here now, and I work here, and I'm married here.
Oh, wow.
Yes.
Okay. Do you have kids?
I have a one boy. Yes, he's 8 months
One
old.
boy.
Yes,
Oh, how old are he?
he is 8 months old.
8 months.
Yes,
Oh,
he's still a
so
baby. Yes,
baby.
yes, he's still a baby. And
Okay.
what about you? Do you usually, I mean, around you, do you guys get married after school, after university, or anything?
Actually, I will get married when I fulfill my purpose in life.
Okay,
Yeah.
that's a very beautiful answer.
Yes.
As long as you get what you need to, you do, and you do it with the love and the happiness, that's the most
Sorry?
important thing. As long as you do everything with love and happiness and you're content about it, that's a very beautiful
Yeah.
thing, most important thing.
Yes.
That's very good.
Yeah.
Okay, so I think we only have like half a minute remaining.
Yes.
So you can use this to tell me, for example, what's your favorite quotation or what's your favorite lesson in life now that you've talked about your purpose in life?
Actually, I am so interested in
Okay,
Islam. Yeah, I
okay.
really like Islam. So since childhood, I like.
That's very good. That's very
Yeah.
nice.
So I I achieve this goal. I want to achieve this goal. Yeah.
Inshallah. Inshallah, you'll achieve it in a
Yes.
very beautiful way. Inshallah.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay,
See you.
dear. Thank
Yeah.
you, dear. See you
Bye.
again. Inshallah.